Jurgen Den Haddock and Wouters Baker idea gave the word vidaXL, an online marketplace now enjoying presence across the USA, Australia and Europe. And why not? With the product base as huge as 79,000 plus, sellers are bound to relish this stuff. In addition to this relishing now comes with CedCommerce, who brings you the vidaXL Magento Dropshipping extension, where vidaXL dropships to your end customers and arrange returns plus customer advice. The extension added with vidaXL benefits free you from worries of manually managing shipping, product imports, price and order processes by offering you shipment automation, bulk product upload, cron scheduling, price markup and centralized order management. And this is not it. The extension also helps you with the personalized customization. While your carefree spirit enjoys vidaXL's reach to over 1 billion customers, along with 100,000 orders coming every week. Sounds interesting, right? Wait no more and connect today. Avail vidaXL Magento Dropshipping extension now.